Hello everyone, a very good evening to you all. Installing Officer AG Rotarian Ajay Hedasar, President of Rotary Club of Venugram, Rotarian Ashok Sir, RCC Rotarian Sachin Sir, President of Rotary Club of Venugram, Rotractor Mehul, and Secretary Rotractor Krishna, and all the dignitaries of the dais. A very good evening to you all. Thank you for inviting me over here. First of all, heartiest congratulations to Rotractor Chinmay and Rotractor Aniket for having a wonderful year. You guys have truly set an example to the district. You guys have done lot of projects and all of them were just wonderful. I still remember coming for the first time at the beginning of the year for pets and sits to your school. The energy I saw and the enthusiasm I saw in your guys, I was pretty sure at that time itself that you guys are going to make wonders, and you have really done that. The moment when you hosted the district event Mridangam, the whole district was proud of you. You guys have set an example to the district that how district events have to be hosted. And you have shown that what Rotractor of Venugram is capable of doing. Congratulations on that. And we are very proud of you. I would like to bring out one more thing. That was the unique thing that you made to promote the event Mahadan. That was the car that you decorated. Me being the core member of Team Mahadan, I personally circulated that message everywhere, showing that this is how an event should be promoted. This is the best example of promoting an event. And this has been done by one of the clubs of Rotract District 3170. So we as District 3170 were very much proud of you guys. Congratulations Chinmay one more time and team for having such a wonderful year. Thank you so much. Yes, as we say, Rotract is all about creating new leaders and carrying forward the new responsibilities. So the baton has to be passed. And on that occasion, on this particular occasion, I would say, congratulations Rotractor Mehul on getting inducted as the president, and congratulations Rotractor Krishna on getting inducted as the secretary of the one of the most prestigious club of district 3170, that is Rotract Club of Venugram. You guys have huge responsibilities to carry forward and huge legacy to go ahead. Your stakes are very high, guys. Yes, and on this note, I would like to bring one more thing into notice. That is the pandemic we are facing. We all we all very much know that what we are going through. But let's take this positively and have an adventurous year. As we say, the whole of the youth is very much attracted towards social media. And guys, come on, let's use this social media as major tool for this year. We can do each and everything, literally each and everything on social media if we decide. We can have our meetings, we can have speaker sessions, we can have some community projects for schools or colleges on social media itself. I would like to bring up this thing to notice that there are many clubs in today's world who are actually e-clubs, and they are working only on social media when this pandemic was not even there. So we can take example from these clubs and continue our working until and unless we get free from this COVID thing. The best example is the parent club of GIT club also. There is e-club that is in Belgaum that is already functioning. So you can take best example out of them. So let's not look at this pandemic as weakness. Let's look at this as a positivity and go ahead. District's whole support is always there with you. Mehul, I am pretty sure you must have selected a great team for you. You must be having great supporters behind you. So you are going to do very well. No doubt in that. And I always say this thing. Rotractors of Venugram Club are real gems to the district, and that is the only reason I have 4 Rotractors from your club. That is one of the highest count, serving at the 4 crucial posts of the district. And district is expecting lot of things from you guys, and we have our hopes on you. As we say, you guys have done a real great job in last year, or you have been doing since years. Now it's time to do something more, to step out of district. Guys, try hosting some multi-district events. Try participating in multi-district events. Try bringing district together. Try indulging with the clubs outside the district rather than staying only in the district. Now your club is one of those clubs who is functioning very well in the district already. So what you have to do is you can do something more and go outside the district now. For that example, we can keep example of Rotasia. Rotasia is the largest event that happens in South Asia. So participate in such events in large numbers. guys, this year let's make a pact that maximum number of people from our district will go and attend Rotasia. I am literally expecting more than 20 members from your club to register. That is happening. This Rotasia is happening in February in Coimbatore. Let's hope that COVID goes away till then and things come in a normal way. Everything gets normal and we get to participate there. So let's have our high hopes on that, and I'm really expecting a good participation from your club. Moving ahead, we all very well know that we celebrate Rotaract Week in the month of March. One more event falls during that time is Mahadan. And believe me guys, when I say this, there is nothing better in the world than donating blood. So guys, concentrate on Mahadan. You guys are already doing very well in this area. I don't need to focus on this particular point, but still keep it up. Do whatever, keep doing the things that you are already doing, and focus on this particular event. Try having maximum caps. And coming back towards the district events, we usually have 5 district events every year, but I am very much not sure. Like, I'm pretty not sure this year how are things going to go, as we are not able to meet physically as of yet. So let's hope that a few events will happen virtually, few events will happen physically. But anyway, the events are going to happen. And I am expecting the maximum support from your club, because I always say Rotaract Club of Venegram is one of those clubs which is very much close to my heart. So me being a DRR, it is my personal appeal to you guys. I personally need you all, and I need your support in the maximum way possible. So guys, please do it. On this particular occasion, I would like to share one more thing. Everyone sitting here right now, just imagine, why did you join Rotaract? There was some or other reason before joining. Some wanted to make new friends, some were expecting career development, some had interest in social service. But yes, one thing is common. This Rotaract made us all come together. This Rotaract helped us increasing bond in ourselves. So we should never forget. So one thing that is we should never forget, that is choosing the right path. We have lot of opportunities, so let's choose right disha towards opportunities and go ahead. RI has given a very good opportunity to us. RI has now opened the door for dual membership. Rotaract Club is no more a program, it is a club now from 1st July onwards. Our Rotarian Ashok sir is sitting here. Ashok sir, I want to appeal you that each and every person, member sitting, Rotaractor sitting here is a gem and is a Rotary material. Let's work together and make sure that each and every Rotaractor sitting here gets converted into a Rotarian. We Rotaractors are now allowed for dual membership. So Mehul, make sure this thing is on your agenda this year. Ashok sir is also here. Work together and convert maximum Rotaractors of Venugram into Rotarians, because end of the day we all are here to become Rotarians and serve the community at larger scale. Yes, coming towards the last point before I conclude, because I don't want to take much of time of yours. This club was started in 2012, and since then we have seen lot of leaders leading the club. The graph of this club has always been high. So Mehul and Krishna, remember this. You guys have huge responsibility. You have this. Now you are not just Mehul or you are not just Krishna. You are the president and secretaries of the club. Wherever you go, you will be representing your club. So always remember, whatever you do, never forget the protocols and discipline. Because protocols and discipline is something which makes Rotary and Rotaract different from other NGOs and makes this special. So guys, let's come together and follow all the protocols, follow the discipline of Rotaract, and let's move ahead with Disha towards opportunities. Thank you so much. And I would also like to say, whatever help you need anytime from the district will always be there for you. Thank you so much.